Welcome back. My name is Joseph Master, and today we're going to talk about writing headlines for the web. So, you've got this idea, and you love it, and you're going to write about it because you want your clients and your potential clients to read it and see how great you are and what value you'll add for them in their business, right? Now is the time to temper your excitement with a healthy dose of humility because if anything else, social media and the web have taught us the following things. 1. Your idea isn't new. We've Googled it, and we can see that as a fact. And 2. Your idea isn't so interesting to us because we're narcissists on the web. We want to get excited about ourselves, not about you and your business. Writing headlines for the web, whether they're on your website, your blog, a press release, a Twitter feed, or a Facebook post, it doesn't matter what medium you're using because the real medium is the internet, which means we must pay close attention to keywords, and I'm going to emphasize this here as a must. We must pay attention to extremely descriptive copy. This isn't like writing for print. In print, the user already bought the printed item, so the headline doesn't have to be provocative. In fact, print headlines usually aren't. In print, there are so many rules governed by AP and Chicago style, such as you can never use the verb to be. Well, on the web, why not? All bets are off on the web. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, whereas in print, the needle is placed softly in plain view on a platter on top of the haystack. So here are some facts for you. 8 out of 10 people will read a headline, but only 2 out of 10 will read the rest of the content on a page. Here's another. You can increase your conversion rate by up to 73% if you use the right headline. So here are some general rules to help you out. 1. Ask yourself, if you were the end user, the reader, the potential client, why should I care about this? Write with that question in mind. Your job when writing a headline is to be provocative without turning people off. 2. Think of yourself as your own personal SEO bot. This is your chance to add all of the words that you want to own on your site. 3. Make sure it's grammatically correct. 4. Add context. What are the stakes? Where did it happen? Who did it? For example, if you want to write a headline about your company being recognized by an organization for being the top in your field, you could write something like this. Master Inc. wins award of excellence from the Master Group. That's pretty boring. It doesn't draw you in. So how about this? Master Inc. recognized among best social media marketers in Philadelphia for outstanding work with local business. Now, we have added Philadelphia, social media, marketers, local, and business to this headline. You've added SEO, you've added context. You've added stuff that will make this headline get read more. As a general rule, though, unlike that last headline, don't brag, don't boast. Rather than other stories about your awards, share headlines that show how you can help others win awards, recognition, or other laurels. Share articles and headlines that show your thought leadership while adhering to those general rules we just talked about. So here's some ideas. Just some possible headlines. How to harness the power of Twitter to win referrals for your small business. Or 10 reasons you should always read this blog. Or something super timely like got the summertime blues, Philadelphia? Cool down with Master Inc. Or something a little ridiculous like increase your readership in 20 seconds without blinking. These things make you think a little bit, and they'll make your users think too. So, now's a good time to make that list. Make a list of all the words you want to own on your website or your social media platforms. Now write a headline. How many words can you fit in that headline without it reading too long? How provocative can you make it? And remember, have some fun.